Hi, to start with, MySQL has to be installed on your computer. First, the version 7.5 of MySQL must be downloaded and installed on Windows 10. It needs to be gotten from the official website. Second, the installer must be required for free online. Then you must select a version required be of the operating system and the MSA package. You must run the installer that is already gotten. The installer needs to be configured. The service must be run a local user. Next, the name of the service data and direct registration must be registered. MySQL Compass option must be disabled. Installation must be complete and run and finished. Then you have to the folder that MySQL creates. Next, the computer CMD should be opened. Finally, MySQL must be run with the command MySQL to use the system.